morning, good afternoon, and good evening saang lupa man kayo, no, right now. Everybody, thank you so much for your time. I'm so excited. We are actually excited. Me and my team are excited to have this webinar. At marami kaming exciting news to share with you. At alam kong excited na rin ang karamihan sa inyo dito to know about this question. May passive income ba talaga sa forex trading? So malalaman po natin yan as we go in this webinar, no, as we start this. So, ayan. So, before anything, let me show you ano ba ang agenda natin. No? So, very short lang ating agenda for tonight. So, I'll just introduce to you everybody about FXTS, AFT, or ang Forex Trading Solutions and Abundance Forex Trading, no? About this joint venture partnership. And then our service offerings, some of our actual service outcomes. And then I'll be introducing to you our partner here, si Coach Nico from Lifestyle Traders Academy, and about the partnership that we have made and the reason why andito tayo sa webinar na ito or nag-conduct tayo ng ganitong webinar. No? So, of course, after that, we wanted to invite you to partner with us, join with us, and build this community to share this opportunity to everyone. Okay, so excited na ba ang lahat? Type nyo nga ang yes kapag excited na or attack na talaga, no? Say yes naman dyan, no? Okay, yes. Right, Gigi. Okay, so let me introduce to you myself very quick. So I am the founder of Forex Trading Solutions. I am a serial entrepreneur, also an investor, strategist, and speaker. So basically, I'm doing a lot of different things. Kumbaga, ang tawag dyan ay uh, a lot of hats under one roof, no? So, ang dami kong ginagawa, but at the same time, I'm diversifying my investment portfolios. Kaya ako napunta dito sa forex trading. It's because of the opportunity na grinab ko when I was just starting to becoming a forex investor, no? So, just a disclaimer, no? I'm in this kind of industry right now, not really as how do you call this? An expert in forex trading, but rather I've been a part of this kind of industry being a businesswoman or being an entrepreneur because I saw this an opportunity for investing. So I started this venture as an investor. No, simula lang ako to give you a background for only $1,000. So that's around 55,000 pesos. And I started it with the hopes na magkaroon ako ng oportunidad na kumita sa forex trading na kahit hindi ko alam kung paano talaga gawin or paano ang technicalities nitong forex trading. So nagkaroon ako opportunity to be cross paths with some of the senior traders that we had partnered with few months ago. At kung kaya nagkaroon ng forex trading solutions right now, this venture, this organizations, because lumawak na siya. No? So mamaya explain ko pa sa inyo ng mas maigi kasi nagsimula lang sa pagsubok, no? Or pag-try or pag-took a risk, no? That $1,000 gave me a lot of opportunity to where it was from the start to where it led me right now, no? To having this forex trading solution. So yung $1,000 ko, in short, I partnered with senior traders, no? Yung dalawang trader na yon, sila ang tumulong sa akin kasama ng aking kaibigan na kasama ko dito. Nung nagsimula kami, tig $1,000 lang kami noon nung nagsisimula, no? So $1,000 sa kanya, $1,000 sa akin, we joined force together. In short, we actually funded like around 100,010 pesos account to open the trading account. No? So nag-join force kami doon, but hindi kami ang nag-trade noon. No? What happened was this senior traders who have helped us did the trading for us. No? Kasi nga ako ay hindi isang trader as I started this, or hindi ako professional trader when I started this kind of venture. Isa akong serial entrepreneur and investor. So I've had around less than a dozen of business portfolio under my umbrella of ventures in different industries, no? So, nung sinubukan ko to, again, sabi ko nga, dahil small amount muna to start, nag-try kami, sinubukan namin. So, yung $1,000 namin each, lo and behold, no, kumita kami ng almost 30 to 50% nun. So, in short, yung $2,000 namin, kumita kami ng around 1,800. So, total na yun, capital and then the profit. No? So, in short, we were able to actually earn around 80% no, of our capital. And that was like a month no, nung pinatrade namin yan, yung amount na yun. And then, we actually added more amounts, funding, kasi nakita namin na, may posible, no? May potential. Kahit hindi pala ako marunong mag-trade or hindi ito yung expertise of or line of expertise ko, hindi ito yung negosyong inagisnan ko at nasimulan ko at wala akong idea how to really do trading by profession, sinubukan pa rin namin. So with that, we added more. So ginawa namin 250,000 pesos na in Philippine money, no? Yung aming funds on top of the profit. Hanggang sa nag-add ulit kami, so nag-top up kami, ginawa na namin 500,000 pesos, no? And then apparently, nagkaroon kami magandang offer with our senior traders. So, itong offer na to, kino-offer siya with the other brokers, no? Trading brokers, no? Kung saan you can actually have double up money or double up capital once you funded an account. So, for example, your capital is $2,000. So, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng credit bonus to make it $4,000 na. So, doon nagsimula. So, syempre, dahil dire-diretso tayo, ang ginawa namin, nag-add kami ng nag-add. So, ang goal namin that time ay, nung tinanong kami, ano ang target mo, MJ? Anong target nyo na income, no? With this partnership. We will trade for you, and then you continue to fund it, your account. So, ano yung target mo? On a monthly basis, magkano passive income ang gusto mong gawin or ang gusto mong ma-achieve, no? Kasi by that time, ang usapan namin was spill you out, no? Kung magkano yung naging initial income arrangement namin was at least a minimum of 10%. No? So, ibig sabihin, monthly, we can have a capital gain of 10%, no, na sila ang nag-trade. No? So, with a capital protection or capital preservation na tinatawag. No? So, may ganun silang security sa amin. So, ginawa namin, our goal, sabi ko nga, was we wanted to earn, if it's possible, in this kind of business, to earn at least 500,000 monthly. Posible ba yun? No, passive income, hindi kami ang mag-trade, hindi kami ang mag-aasikaso ng account namin, wala kaming idea, we don't have the time, we have other businesses in our plate, no? Basically, we don't have the access to do that by our own. So it's possible when they said yes to us, they committed to us. So pero para mangyari yon, kung let's say a minimum of 10%, that means to say kung 500,000 yan sa 10%, dapat kailangan may capital trade kang 5 million pesos. Tama? Kasi 10% ng 5 million mo, that's 500,000. Right? So mabigat sa amin, hindi namin kaya nun because our capital or personally my funds are spread to different investments or different ventures that I have. No? So dahil nagkaroon ng opportunity na mag times 2 yung capital because of the broker's offer with our senior trader na magkakaroon ng credit bonus, no? So doon pumasok yung we only need to have 2.5 million in pesos. With that 2.5 million in pesos, in short, kung may credit bonus yon ng 100%, magiging 5 million na yon. Pero ang catch, yung 100% na yon, it's non-withdrawable. No? Pero tradable siya. So in short, yung 5 million, as long as kumita, nag-profit, yung profit ng trade na yon, withdrawable. However, yung credit bonus na yon, hindi siya withdrawable. No? So hope you get me, no? So sana clear yon. Clear ba? I-type nyo nga ng yes kung clear, nasusundan po ako, or mabilis. Okay. Clear? Can you type yes if it's clear? Nasusundan po ba? Yes po. Okay, yes po. Alright. Now, so as we continue with our partnership, no? So, ginawa namin ng paraan para ma-consolidate namin yung 2.5 million. We will be able to raise that, no, by our own. Me and my friend, who's my partner, nasimula sa $1,000, naging 250,000 pesos, naging 500,000 pesos, and then we already completed the 2.5 million. So that already helped us to gain the 5 million target, which is tinulungan din kami ng aming senior trader. No? In short, nag-join force din siya to share his funds with us to make that 5 million happen. No? So nangyari, because of that, nagkaroon kami internal arrangement with that particular account is a shared joint account between me and my friend and our trader, no? Our two of the traders. So ayun na. So, bigyan ko kayo ng idea as to ano nangyari sa account na yun. So, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. At I'm so excited dahil dito ay a testimony and personal experience that it happened to me. And I know for sure, with this webinar, hopefully, this will also happen with you. No? Lalo na I'm excited na ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung meron pa with this webinar. Because of the partnership that we have made with the Lifestyle Traders Academy. No? So, okay. Medyo napahabang aking intro, no? Kinuwento ko na kagad para mamaya dire-diretso tayo. So, so yun. So, itong aming community or aming venture, which is a joint venture partnership of Forex Trading Solutions or FXTS and Abundance FX Trading or AFT, kami ang organization who handles to become the marketing and acquisition arm of brokers, no? So we have partnered to some brokers to actually offer IB, PAM, and MAM. Ito yung mga usual offerings of the brokers. But we have to focus initially with our offering, which is mamaya pakita ko sa inyo, yun yung tinatawag namin kung saan kami nagsimula. No? Ito yung account management. Then later on, pakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano pa yung pwede namin maitulong sa community na katulad ninyo, naghahangad at naghahanap ng passive income in this industry na forex trading. No? So, ano nga ba kami? No? What are our offerings? What do we do now, no? As an organization, as forex trading solutions? So ito yung initial offers namin. We do have top-up capital and then account management. So what's the difference of this both? No? Para perfect ito kapag katulad sa inyo na katulad ako, nagsimula ako sa ganitong industry nang hindi alam kung paano mag-trade or hindi expert in forex trading or in financial markets. Although I had experiences on learning about crypto, about stocks, no, but never an in-depth learning kasi nga masyadong maraming akong other businesses that I'm also working with, no, and at the same time, I'm just really wanting to invest. No, I just wanted to let my money grow by its own and let the experts do the magic. No, so I'll show you what is this top-up capital, no? Or what is this account management, no? So basically, with top-up capital, katulad nung experience ko personally, no? We will be the one to handle the trading for you, no? We consolidate all the funds that we have with different clients and then we trade it for them, no? Pero this account is under us. And in return, you will get a fixed income, no profit, no? So how much is the fixed income profit? That I will show you in a while. No? On the other hand, ano naman itong account management? So, hindi sila halos magkaiba. No? Ang onting difference lang ng account management with top-up capital natin, ang account management is may minimum amount na makakapag-trade kami for you ng sarili mong account. In short, if you really want to have your own personal trading account na nakapangalan sa iyo, naka-register sa iyo, the withdrawals will be coming from you, no? Then this account management is for you. Yun nga lang, medyo mataas ang minimum capital natin dito. Unlike with top-up capital, because these are consolidated funds, you can start as low as 60,000 pesos or $1,000. Katulad ng kung paano namin ginawa yung sa amin personal. So we have group of traders with us, no, who are experts, who are professionals, who are your partner to make these things happen for you, no? Na magkaroon ka ng opportunity to earn passive income without even doing it by your own. No? So, yeah. So, pakita ko, ito na po yung account namin, no? When we started our own personal account. Diba kanina, nabigyan ko kayo ng idea from $1,000 to almost $24,000. I mean, sorry, almost to um, 5 million in peso or 24,000, how much of it? $85,000 the time, no? So, few months back, yung $85,000 namin equivalent to 5 million pesos, that actually reached to 108, ito na, $108,000, no? So, we had made a profit of around $24,921. This is equivalent to around 1.5 M, no? Ang naging profit namin for I think less than 2 months when we did this, no? So, yung pera namin, nagsimula kami sa $1,000, tapos we work out namin yung 2.5 million, na yung 2.5 million na naging 5M because of the credit bonus na times 2. Yung 5 million na yun, equivalent into $85,000, which is 5 million pesos, ito na siya. Naging 108,983, no? So, and lo and behold, we continue to trade this again. Our traders, our expert traders, our senior traders did this for us, no? So one time we really had an opportunity na kumita ng malaki. I should say in just one trade at that time we have actually profited $43,510, no? And this is like around 3 million plus, no? At that time, yung $108,000 namin, ito na siya. Pumalo na ng $153,240, no? So, in short, ano to, paldo kung paldo kami, no? And, but anyway, I'll also give you an idea na kaya possible to because of the lot size, no? Ipatiyatag tayo, kapag hindi kayo technical or you're not really into trading at bagong-bago kayo sa mga bago po dito, the higher your capital, the better that you could trade with better options, no? Kasi kumbaga, mas makaka-discard yung trader or as kayo as a trader to revolve the quantity, to trade it by your own means or terms, no? So, pagka medyo maliit ang capital natin, you can still do trading. Ika nga, nakikita ang kagalingan ng isang trader regardless of whatever is the capital or the amount. It just so happened we had this opportunity na maipag-grow pa siya. So, hindi kami nag-withdraw at this time. But until we got this kind of amount, nag-withdraw na kami. So, in short, we were able to reap, no, the profits that we had. Ang kagandahan dito, after this, hindi kami natapos, no? Nagtuloy-tuloy na kami. So what happened was, we already started to open multiple accounts, no? So with that, we were able to create open another few more accounts. So as you can see here, another paldo ulit, no? So nag-start kami ulit to open $20,000. So ito, deposit. Yung $20,000 namin, we have profited around $16,678,000. So that's around 1 million in profit in just 2 weeks of trade, no? So yan, makikita naman natin yan dito. Ito yung trading history natin, no? And then on the other hand, nag-open ulit kami another account which is $10,000 naman. So ito siya. And we have profited around 6,672, no? And this is in just 1 day trade. Actually, hindi pa isang araw yan. Wala pang 24 hours yan. Makikita nyo, pag deposit namin, nag-sell agad kami. No? So, kumita agad ng 6,310 and then 182 and then 180. So, halos isang araw, $600,000 agad yun. So, continuously, we've opened multiple trading accounts na. No? The reason why is because may mga accounts kami, may kanya-kanyang discard and mga traders. Same thing as investor like myself, we have made our own terms and arrangements na magkaroon kaming accounts na good for, how they call this, good for flip account, I should say, dito, tong account na to, we will trade it high risk, no? So, kumbaga, mabilisan, no? High risk namin to, regardless whatever would be the outcome or output. We already consider this as, an account that we can just blow up, no? Kumita, pumaldo, better. Kung hindi, we anticipate that, no? So may mga accounts naman kami like this one, we open as conservative account, no? Kumbaga, low to mid high risk lang, o low to mid risk trading lang tayo, which means may target lang kami na income on a day-to-day basis, like at least 1 to 2%, or in a month, that could give us to 30% and above, no? So may mga ganun kami. That's the reason why we've opened multiple accounts, no? And because of this experience, guys, so ito yung tinatawag namin top up. You can top up with us as low as 60,000 pesos or $1,000. We will trade that account or that amount on our own accounts, and then may fix yung makukuha, no, na income. So as to how much, mamaya pakita ko, no? But before that, so dito naman papasok on the other hand, yung tinatawag namin account management. No? So ano tong account management? So in this case, we are the ones who create the account for the client, tapos register din sa kliyente, no? Kumbaga, pangalan nila, registration sa kanila, withdrawal sa kanila, everything sa kanila, no? So hindi siya sa amin. So in short, si client ang magbibigay sa amin ng profit or ng payout, no? So this is one of our VIP clients account, no? Pero ito corporate account yan, no? So ano siya, most of our account management right now is either, kung hindi siya private individual na negosyante, it's either company siya, no? Kasi ang minimum namin dyan for a private trading account is at least $30,000 to $50,000, no? So medyo malaki comparing sa 60,000 pesos or $1,000 na top up, no? That's the reason why top up, because you just top up, no, with the minimum amount that you can. Tapos ang account management naman may minimum $30,000 to $50,000. Well, so yan. So as you can see here as an example, no, this is one of our VIP clients account. Pagka ganito, may profit sharing ang pinag-uusapan namin, no? So hindi na siya fixed. Whatever is the profit of that account, no, meron kaming porsyento as to how much, yun yung dinidiscuss with the client depending on the capital started. So unlike with top up, may fix ka na makuha. And then unlike with account management, profit share siya. Kung magkano yung profit on that particular trade, no, on that month, the whole month, yun yung meron kaming porsyento. So yun. So here's the question next. So, MJ, ano ba yung packages, no? When it comes to this kind of offerings ninyo? Yung top up, account management. Katulad ng bagi ko, yung account management natin, that starts in $30,000 or $50,000, no? Minimum. So, basically, $30,000, that's around roughly 1.7 million or 1.5 million ang kailangan. So, our traders would accept an account management, kumbaga VIP account, no? Pero kung sa mga minimum amount, top up, katulad ng bangko ko, ito siya, $60,000, no? Or I should say $1,000. I'm sorry, 60,000 pesos, Philippine money, or $1,000. So in this bracket, meron kaming options, no? 60,000 pesos to 1 million, that gives you a profit of 3% monthly. So ibig sabihin, yung 60,000 pesos mo, let's say mag-top up ka, in order for you to get a passive profit, passive income, no? By putting in 60,000, you get to earn 1,800. Kung sa 3% kasi ng 60,000, that's 1,800 monthly, no? So itong bracket na to, 60,000 to 1 million, that's 3%. So 1 million yan, ibig sabihin 3% of 1 million, that gives you 30,000, no? Monthly. That's the fix, no? Ang kaganda dito ang kaganda dito, difference ng dalawa, pag top up, may capital preservation tayo, no? So ibig sabihin, regardless of whatever is the market situation, no? Whatever would be the total losses, no? the capital will be preserved. In short, it will be protected, no? So again, pag top up kasi, pag consolidated funds, we only maintain low to mid risk trading. So kapag above 1 million to 3 million, ito naman ang income natin, no? 5% profit monthly. So that means if you, kung sabihin na natin 3 million yan, so 5%, how much is that? That's I think around 150,000 monthly, no? So above 3 million to 5 million, 7% monthly. Above 5M to 10M, that's 10% monthly. So ito yung pinakapataas natin, 10% monthly, just like on how we started with our own. No? And then above 10M, for discussion na siya. No? Kasi this will fall also under the account management na. No? Actually, yung account management, this will already fall under 3M pataas. No? May promo lang po tayo. No? With those who attended this webinar could get this promo. No? Should you be able to test or try this kind of business opportunity, no? Kung sakasakaling you want to test out to become our top up partner, no? That you can avail 300,000. No, this supposedly 300,000 na to, this would fall into 3% monthly. But in this case, dahil may promo, so 4% na siya monthly. So that gives you 48% yearly profit, no, annual, no. Doon naman sa promo natin for this bracket, no, so 1 million to 3 million instead of 5%, kapag may nag-avail ng 500,000 top-up capital, no? 500,000 instead of getting this supposedly dito sa bracket na to, 3%, you'll get it 5% na, no? Which is, that gives you 60% yearly. So, okay, so, before I proceed, no, meron tayong terms pagdating sa ganito, top up, no, which is meron tayong tinatawag na lock-in period, no. So may special terms and meron tayong standard terms. Special terms mean to say whatever package you would like to avail, no. So let's say nag-top up ka 60,000 to 1 million, no, or kung sa promo, let's say nag 300,000 ka, nakuha mo yung promo, you get 4%. 3 years lock-in tayo to any of this top up capital, renewable. Pero ang payout mo quarterly. So you need to say you get to earn this amount, 4% monthly kung naka-promo ka. In 3 months, that's 12%. Makuha mo yung profit mo quarterly. Every quarter mo siya makuha, which is equivalent to 12%. Yung 4% mo times 3 months. Yung standard terms naman natin, that gives you 5 long years, no? Lock-in. Why is it 5 years? Kasi ito, medyo shorter period of profit payout, no? So sa unang payout natin for the first quarter, pero yung succeeding payouts natin, every 2 months cycle na siya. No? In short, kung sakaling 60,000 yan, nakuha mo siya hindi promo, let's say 3%, makukuha mo profit every 2 months. No? 3% times 2 months, that's 6% profit of your 60,000. So yun yung difference. No? We have 3 years, special term, every quarter yung payout, and then we have standard terms, 5 years, a little bit longer than the special term, pero yung payout mo is shorter, which is 2 months payout cycle. So there, basically that's the option natin, the packages. No? So ito, katulad ng sabi ko, nagsimula kami ng ganito. Ako personally, and as an investor, who also have other businesses under my plate, hindi ko na kaya para simulan or usisain pa paano ang paano maging professional forex trader when we started, no? But eventually, because of the opportunity na nakuha ko dito, nagkaroon na rin ako ng mga partners, no? I should say na nagbigay ng mas magandang kaalaman at guidance sa akin bilang investor. It's also best to know, no? To know more better in this industry, no? At dahil dyan, nagkaroon ako ng mas magandang positioning, no? Having this forex trading solutions and abundance forex trading joint ventures, and doon ako nagkaroon ng I should say chance na mas ma-explore pa itong magandang opportunity or itong magandang industry na to ng forex trading. So how and paano? So that's where more than knowing or starting this as an investor, I myself has become a learner na rin. So I must say I know a bit already, but not enough for me to call as a professional trader, but I'm continuously learning. So nagsimula na ako mag-aral. And thank you for the opportunity to learn more because of the partners that I have right now. So syempre, excited ako mapakilala yun sa inyo, no? Sa aming community here, sa Forex Trading Solutions, and then sa Abundance Forex Trading. No? So again, sa mga katulad ko, nung nagsimula na walang alam paano forex trading, gusto lang magkaroon ng passive income opportunity, this is what we did. We just top up, and then we let our professional traders do the trading for us. Or if you are a company or private individual with even higher capital that you wanted to grow, which is $30,000 to $50,000 or more, then we can do the account management for you. So kami na yung gagawa ng account mo, mag-trade for you, withdrawals are with you then, no? So this is the chance for you to earn passive income in this avenue, no? Top up and account management.